guys, and welcome to my new video. My name is Milica from Venoma Fashion Freak fashion blog, and I hope you will enjoy it. This is my first video in English. I think my English is pretty good, but I hope all grammar Nazis out there will forgive me all the mistakes I might make today. Why am I making this video in English? Because I already made a similar video with a similar product from the same partner. So if you would like to watch a video about hair extensions in Serbian from Feshfen, you may click on the link below or in the suggested videos. So today we will talk about a new product that I received from Feshfen store. These are my new hair extensions. This is my third collaboration with Feshfen store. They sell all sort of hair extensions, wigs, anything that is really hair related. What I got from them all three times that we collaborated are hair extensions. First I got synthetic red hair extensions that I really loved. You can read about them on the blog. I also used them in one outfit post where you can see them a little better. Then the second time around I got really long medium blonde straight hair extensions, and you can see a video where I use those. Even if you don't speak English, you can still take a look how it looks in that video. And this is our third collaboration. This time I will show you a different style of hair extensions. Also, I finally managed to match the color of the ends of my hair, and I'm super happy about it. I'm super excited, and here we go. So I will read the name of this product. It is 20-inch long, 11 pieces, strawberry blonde body wave clip-in Remy human hair extensions. I asked for it to be 20 inches long, and this is how it looks. What I did to my hair to match this sort of curly hair extensions is use my pearl wand on it without any other additional hair products such as hairspray or hair foam. This is how it looks a day later after curling, and I think this is perfect if you have straight hair. You can only do a few waves on the top part of your hair to match something curly like this. So in here I have 11 pieces of hair clip-ins, and it is really thick. If you watched previous video, you know that I was very happy with the quality of the last hair extensions they sent me, and I'm also really happy with the quality of these because there is literally no shedding. I already used this. I wore them to a wedding, and I also put them on in one of my latest outfit posts. I will also link that below, and they acted perfectly. Like, I really have no complaints on their product so far. So first of all, I'll show you the extensions. So this is the smallest piece, and you have 7 of these pieces in this package. This is the medium size of the clip-ins. This is how wide it is. Depending on how much volume you would like to achieve, you can use these, or you can use the biggest ones, the wider ones. These are the biggest ones, the widest pieces. You can put them on the middle of your head, and they add super volume to your hair. The clip-ins look like this, and they are pretty strong. They hold on really nice, and they don't fall off, which is the most important part. Another thing I wanted to show you today is this gorgeous necklace. I think it's a choker. I didn't try it on yet. I got it in the same package as these hair extensions that we're talking about today. This kind of a gift you will get if you're a loyal Feshfen customer. They love to surprise their customers with small gifts like this very often. So this is how this baby looks. Super cute. So this is how it looks. I will show you 2 ways of wearing this in this video. I will show you how to make it look more natural by using only some parts of all this, not all of this, and I will also put all of this in my hair, so you can take a look how it looks when it's all on. So this is how my hair looks when I only put in 3 biggest pieces of hair extensions. I think it looks really natural, and that it doesn't really, scream that you have hair extensions in. I think you can pull it off without people noticing that you have hair extensions if you have a bit longer hair, and maybe even if you don't, you just need to match the color correctly. This is how it looks. I love this, and it's very easy to use. It gives you a really glamorous look, and I think it's perfect even in everyday occasions. So this is how it looks with only few pieces, and now I'm about to put all the hair extension in, so you can take a look how it looks when it's super big. This is how it looks when I use all the pieces of these hair extensions. It looks very princessy, very poofy, very big, very voluminous, and I can say I love it. It all depends on what do you want to achieve with your hair extensions. If you want to look more natural, I suggest the look I previously showed you. If you want to really make a statement and you want this big hair, this is something that can really help you achieve that. As you can see, it's everywhere. The link to the store and the link to this product will be below in the description. The price of these extensions goes around $150. The price depends on the length of your extensions, so if they're shorter, the price will be smaller, and if they're longer, the price will be bigger. These are, I believe, $145. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you liked it. In case you did, please hit the subscribe and like buttons below. I hope to see you somewhere on my social networks as well, and I'll see you next week in my new video. Bye!